Oh, we got our buddy Steven by us. Come around. We finally. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is our hopefully clean track session at Gingerman Raceway in our E36 M3. It is starting to drizzle. Hopefully it holds off just a little bit so we can get some good track driving. We did have a brake pedal issue, which is something we're gonna be sort of feeling out while we're driving. I think the brake booster, grommet or seal or whatever is going bad. So we'll fix that over the winter. There's our buddy Steven. Okay. Technically, this is frowned upon on track, but I saw the other POV YouTubers putting their windows up, so I'm gonna assume it's okay. Right, so the brake pedal issue, I think the brake booster's going bad because the brake pedal is just a little inconsistent. Brake performance is mostly still there though. Just have to kind of know it and account for it. Although it's actually not feeling that great right now, so we'll see. Try to get some temp in these things. Alright, yeah, it just needs temp. Practice our line a little bit. We're now getting much better at Gingerman Raceway. I did not like that actually at all. Okay, this might actually not come to fruition here. Now I'm starting the brake pedal I want. Okay. Alright, I'm confident enough to do like a 7/10 session in this car. There it is again. Yup. I just gotta know and account for it. Otherwise, though, the car feels so good. So dialed in. Tight on the power. understeer. Okay, a little sooner on the brake there. That's okay. We're playing it safe today, guys. I'd rather have fun and drive home in one piece. Sloppy, sloppy. We're also practicing our trail braking, and I'm actually really glad I learned trail braking before getting onto this track, because this track is heavily reliant on it. Right there. Go wide. I could actually maybe almost use second gear there, but that's the funny thing about a 5-speed is you're kind of playing that game of gear spacing. It's like, okay, do I have do I have the room to go for second, or do I keep third? And in this car, the answer is always third. You have torque, and actually peak power is around 4 grand, or peak torque, so you might as well use it. Okay, I took this one a lot faster last time. That's okay. I think I'm pretty good at this corner. That didn't feel as good. That did not feel as good at all. Nope, nope, understeer, yep. I'm surprised I'm still understeering, because now I have square tires in this car. I'm actually running square Continental DWS 06 Pluses, 245s in each corner. Stock setup is 245s in the rear, and this is 25s in the front. And I have more tread in the front. The fronts are new and the rears are not. The car's still understeer, so it's just the way my suspension set up or something. I'm not sure. Honestly though, I don't mind. It makes the car kind of more forgiving in a lot of ways. I don't know, maybe I would like a little more oversteer. everybody. Steven Bias, the camera. We finally. Ooh, okay. I shouldn't have spoke too soon. Today's not my day. Not my day on track. All right, I'm going in. We're good. We saved it, clutched in. That didn't do what I thought it was gonna do. I thought I was gonna get a little more of a warning. Did not. Kind of just swung around. God. I can't believe I did that. Last one of the day. So for those of you who are watching this as a standalone video, I went off once earlier in the day when the car understeered. And well, actually it was, I came in too hot. I came in too hot into a corner. I went off. I thought it was a different corner than it was, and it was right after I just gotten some instruction. It was a clean off. We just kind of, you know, rolling into some dirt. It was whatever. But yeah, I've been playing it safe now, and I'm really surprised the car just kicked out like it did, because there was no warning there. It just happened, and that was it. But it's all part of a learning process, and we're improving and learning, and you know what? No harm, no foul. Nothing was damaged. Everyone's okay. It is what it is. So with all of that said, everybody, hit that like button. Let me know you want to see more of this content. Subscribe if you're new, and we'll catch you in the next one.